I'm just making this video. I made a couple videos already while I was out here, but I'm just making this video to for people to enjoy the sounds of the little falls and stuff I have here. I like to come out back. I can hear the trees. I can hear the birds singing, the squirrels. But I mostly enjoy the sound of the water. I'm not sure how much of this you can hear, but I'm just standing here and I can enjoy the sound of the water. And just by walking around here, I can enjoy different sounds. There's this sound here of it flowing. Then I can walk down here a little ways. And you have the trickling of it just going down over the rocks here. This is just a little stream. So I can listen to the trickling of it here. And then usually where we sit right over here, we can we're usually sitting over there on a nice day. We can hear this part of the falls going. So depending on where I am within feet of each other, there's different sounds. And it's all quite calming. Even though it's, I don't know, maybe 0 degrees or -1, and there's a little breeze. You can see the breeze going here. It's still nice to come out here, and on beautiful days like today, I'm just going to have to come out here more often. Today, I was just mainly coming out to take a look at the rocks I put there, and how I'm going to have to route it a little better, and what I'm going to have to do to ensure the water doesn't come down on my land, that it's routed down and out to the drainage across the road. But I thought maybe some people might enjoy the sounds of some water trickling down the stream here. Everybody have a great day.